Hello, my name is Mira Kopak.
My name is Kofi Opokurakwa.
My name is Eko Opokurakwa.
And our team name is MicroWare, and our project is helping a blind person around the room. So if we tell Cosmo to go to bed, Cosmo will go to the bed, bump the block, which it represents the bed, and it will make a siren sound so the blind person can hear when it's at the bed. And whenever we say desk, it will move to the desk and do the same thing as bed but with the desk. And then same with the chair. So yeah. You can answer.
I've done things like this before, but I've never used this program.
No.
Well, since the robot can think, see, and hear, she can do a lot of things. He can help people who can't do these things.
Yeah.
Or just people. He can just assist people.
Yeah, like the assistant. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'll try it so that I can try again.
I would like to do it because working with Cosmo is really fun, and also like it's kind of confusing because sometimes the laptop doesn't work, but then we keep on figuring it out and it works.
Yeah, because it's a good way to start like with robot things, like AI, for example, in programming, and it can show you how AI can affect the real world.